BESTMALZ and our family of base and speciality malts stand for the best quality since 1899. There are a number of steps needed to transform carefully selected barley from German meadows into best malts. Only certified German farmers are admitted to our supply chain. After carefully probing each and every delivery and cross-checking with our specifications, the grains are unloaded. Gentle but yet thorough cleaning and de-dusting follows. Various strong magnets remove any ferromagnetic particles which the barley may contain. During 2 separate steeping phases in 2 different steeping vessels, the kernels are brought to tightly controlled, predefined water content. Germination is a basically fully natural process, but at BESTMALZ, we keep a close eye on it during the 6 days it takes. Our malt masters jump in whenever it may be necessary in order to achieve optimal results. Kilning and the application of our unique roasting technology round up the production cycle. Most importantly, the entire manufacturing process must be gentle to the kernels and with constant quality checks. That way, we guarantee that brewers around the world will get out of our best malts what they rightfully expect. Simply the best. For food control purposes, a sample of each batch is kept for a minimum of 2 years. With our electronically supported tracing system, every bag can be traced back all the way to the farmer in short time. BESTMALZ therefore stands for 100% high-quality malting barley from Germany, permanently monitored by the market-leading SGS monitoring program. As with all best malts, the combination of colour, taste, extract yield and homogeneity are the results of more than 100 years of malting experience. Hand-selected, carefully developed and patiently malted, our base and speciality malts will give your beer creation an individual, handcrafted touch. This is what makes best beers. Because brewers who strive for excellence need an excellent kind of malt. Simply BESTMALZ.